welcome to episode 19, where now it's Daddy's turn to go to work on a Sunday. As you can see, my husband and I are extremely busy people, and we work whenever our phone rings, and it's really an inconvenience, but a blessing as well. Bố phải đi làm. Say, tell Dad, bye bye Daddy, make some money. Go on. Tell Daddy, bye Daddy, I love you, make some money. Come on, Katie. Caitlin. Over there. Preoccupied. Go to work. I love you. It doesn't matter if it's a weekday or weekend, the girls are up by 6:30, so today Chris is putting in a few extra hours to get a few new property that we just acquired done. The girls had their breakfast and now they're having a snack and watching TV, and here I am just chilling because there's nothing to do. Chris ended up coming back around lunchtime and I already fed the girls and now he's hanging out with them.
Okay, xí xò với khao anh hả? Xí xò với khao. Tại sao?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I work out.
You work out. Okay. Wow, yoga, so cool. You so good at yoga. Are you push up?
Bye, 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 bye.
How I wonder.
Caitlin, you okay? Oh my God, you doing the snake?
So,
Oh my goodness, Caitlin, you do the yoga? Làm cái gì vậy? You're so silly. I love you.
I push you.
Careful.
I push you.
She said she'll push you.
It's my hand.
Careful. Look at chân. Watch your feet.
Move the feet, Kate. She might get in your feet.
Kara, enough. Sức của Kara mạnh thế nhiều rồi.
I know. She used her sheer weight for it.
Mình hốt rồi. Mà bố con Kara nó không bị đau thế đâu. You push chị hả? I'm okay. Tới phim Kate phải push em chứ. Okay. Kara turn. Kara turn. Kara turn. Kara turn. Keep her pushing. Okay. Cái đẩy cái đuôi em đi. Good job, Kate. Up and down. Up. Okay, rồi ngồi xuống hả? Okay. Wee.
Có chân đặt cái chân bây giờ, Katie. Be careful, okay? I don't want you push Kara. Okay, good job. Play nice. After we put the girls to bed, we head down to Q. It's also downtown. We're having one of the good hot pot and sushi place. It's a nice place to go to just because it's pretty empty right now and I like the server there. But after lunch, we did head on over to our downtown development. This is our newest purchase. Yeah, this is, I feel like, my pride and glory. It also gives me a lot of anxiety and I don't really like to talk about it. But this is one of the biggest projects I guess I've ever done, and I'm so proud to be able to, I guess, infiltrate the downtown Boston market. So anytime I stay really quiet for a month on end, usually something bad happened or I'm working on something big, and that seems to be the trend for those that follows me all these years. And this is one of my pride and glory that I would like to share with you guys. And no, I'm not doing this to brag. This is pretty much to show you guys that yes, you too can get here. It always starts from one. You know, you gotta start from the first house, into the second house, into the 20th house, until the 100th house, to the 200th house, and then here you are, downtown Boston. I remember the first time I was in Boston and I drove by all these big buildings, and I looked at my husband and I asked, he was my boyfriend at the time, and I asked him, I wonder how much money you would need in order to have a building down here. Well, now I know. After visiting the project, now we're going to head on over to the grave to visit our last child on Sunday. No matter how busy, we would go and see him for a while. Unfortunately, it started raining again. Weather in Boston has been terrible. It just rains and sun and rain hard and then sun. So it made everything really dark and gloomy and ugly.
Are your stomach is big?
Nope. My stomach not big yet.
Small?
It's small. It's small.
No, eating.
What?
Mama, what? Open it.
No, it's not open.
Open it.
It's belly button.
Bunny button.
Mine.
Bunny
Move.
button.
It's mine.
Look at my face in there.
Mama.
He's my husband. Get off.
Go, Mama. Go, Mama.
How dare you try to take my husband?
Tummy.
I know it's a tummy. Oh.
Tummy.
Oh.
Tummy. We're all penny.
Tummy.
We're all penny.
We're a family?
Mm-hmm.
Then why keep on trying to take daddy?
Mommy, daddy, mommy,
Who does daddy belong to?
daddy.
Mommy.
Mama, scary. Mommy,
Exactly. Daddy belong to mommy.
scary.
Not scary.
No, mommy, I can do it. I can do it that way. It's not scary.
Boo!
Nope. Yes, honey. It's my belly button.
It's mine.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
No, daddy's mine.
It's that's mine.
Daddy is not yours. Daddy's mine. Mommy.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Why is daddy Kate's? Daddy belong to mommy.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's different.
Daddy belong to mommy.
Come on.
No. Cake.
No, daddy belong to mommy.
No.
Why does daddy not belong to mommy? Kara,
No touching dinosaur.
no touching the dinosaur, no touching daddy. Daddy belong to mommy. And next, we're going to head on over to the grandparent because on Sunday it is reserved for grandparent and the kids.
Here's the tunnel.
Yep, we're going on the tunnel now.
Here comes the tunnel, Kate. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Tunnle!
Yes, we're swimming in the car. Look at the submarine up there. Look at all the water. I know, right? Awesome.
We need to fly in the way.
Yep.
What truck?
I see the truck. I see the window.
See, it's the big truck. That's Ba's truck there. See Ba's truck? The gray truck. The black truck.
It's so funny. It's funny.
The truck is funny. Okay.
You done?
Those coaches around, right? They are around. They won't be around long.
No, not listening.
The record is.
Okay, then you stretch with Kara. Kara!
I think it's
Wanna
crazy.
stretch
I
with
think it's
Mama?
just crazy what's happening. We must
Why
protect
not?
the integrity of the sport. So.
Stretch with Mama?
No.
Don't be bad. Don't be rude. You're rude.
I don't even know. Is that controversial? You know, somebody said, well, that's going to be very controversial. I said, that's okay. You haven't heard anything yet.
Oh, I have no shame when I'm with my husband's parent. They're my parent too. And since my parent's okay with me being weird and, you know, lounging around all lazily, my husband's parent is fine with it too. That, and now that I'm getting bigger in my pregnancy, I've been having a lot of back issues and as I stretch more often.
I will bite your butt.
No.
Come here.
No.
Here, I show you.
That's why the body is growing so rapidly. And it's becoming
Want me to eat you?
body. And it's becoming a body of love.
I bite your butt.
Some of the streets, some of the
I
cities.
got. I take care of. I eat that baby. I tell me. Oh.
So dinner came around, and today we're having pizza at my parents' place, but pizza and oily food actually makes me kind of sick, so I opted out for not eating, and we head down the street at Cᴏ宜and we're having some sushi there. After the light dinner, we ended up heading back to my parents' house, and then we hung out with them. We talked about some business, some family issues, and then pretty much we left by 8:30 that night, just because the girls usually sleep at 9 and I want to get some work done on the computer when I do get home. But that's the end of episode 19. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. If you haven't yet, smash that like button, share this, and I will see you in chapter 20.